In this tutorial, I am going to show you how you can install Mozilla Firefox on Windows. For it, you just need to open any browser and in the browser search for Mozilla Firefox, press enter, and here you can see firefox.com. So you need to click here, and over here you can see download Firefox option. You need to click on this button and it will start downloading Firefox automatically. And here you can see it downloaded a exe file. So we need to double click on this downloaded exe file. So I'll just double click here. After that, it will show you something like this. Here you can see now installing, and it will take few seconds to install, like 30 to 40 seconds. And there you can see installation is done. And when the installation is done, it will automatically open the Firefox. And here I'm just going to click here continue. So here you will see option called import bookmarks. So you can import bookmarks from your other browser like Microsoft or Google Chrome. So if I just click over here import, it will. So there you go. There you can see it imported bookmarks, browsing history, and it is now also getting the extensions as well. So yeah, this is how we can install Mozilla Firefox on Windows. I hope this was useful. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.